Hey everybody, in today's video we're going to unbox this TTArtisan Tilt 50mm f1.4. Now I picked this up in Sony E-mount, but it's available on a variety of mounts. It's a lens that just on the outside looks like it's really designed for cinema use, and it comes in the standard TTArtisan type packaging. So we're going to open that up right now, and then we're going to take a look inside the box at the lens itself. So once we get it open, pretty standard TTArtisan packaging here with an instruction manual, usually has an optical design in it and things like that, and a warranty card, silica pack, and the standard foam that holds it in place. Then the lens itself is inside a plastic bag. Again, everything here is exactly the way that TTArtisan typically packages their lenses. So let's take the lens out of the plastic bag that it's in. And we're going to take a look at what is a very, very well-made lens. This is really solid, and honestly, it looks okay. It's not the prettiest lens, but it is a generally okay-looking lens. Holy cow! There are some large pieces of glass in this. This is a wow. I was not prepared for that. And look at that aperture. Oh my gosh! All right, that's a ton of aperture blades. I want to say it's like 12. That sounds right. Looks right. I'm trying to count that. That is a really nice aperture when this feeling is smooth. It's nice and circular almost the entire way down. That looks really good. That's going to has the potential anyway to create some really nice out of focus areas. Here's the tilt function, and that is okay. So you can lock it in place with that knob and then tilt it up to however many degrees that is. It's kind of hard to gauge, and I'm not sure if those marks are standard or are like a full degree or not. But here's the way the tilt moves. You know, one thing right off the bat that I can tell you is that this lens is, if you have it on a camera on a tripod, you're only going to be able to tilt the front of the lens, which is really going to be kind of limiting for how that performs. So having a tripod mount up front would have been a better choice for design. Now, next thing is you can see that there was the silver ring I was just twisting there, and or right here again, you can see how it allows the lens to be rotated on the mount, which means that you're not stuck to just tilting it left and right. You can tilt it in any degree increment that's available there by rotating the lens, and that means you can tilt it up and down 90 degrees or at 15 or whatever you want to do. And so there it is. Now let's take a look at some sample photos and videos taken with this lens.